Welcome to Glebe House, a remarkable and versatile property set on an expansive 3.65 acre site in the heart of Cambridgeshire. Once a thriving children's care facility, this estate now stands as a blank canvas, brimming with potential for redevelopment, repurposing or restoration. At the heart of the estate stands the main house, a charming multi-level property with a robust layout. The ground floor is designed for communal living, featuring spacious reception areas and a kitchen, while the first floor accommodates bedrooms and bathrooms. With the right vision, this could be reimagined into a grand family home, a boutique guest house, or a high-end shared living space. As you arrive through the main entrance, you're greeted by a sweeping driveway. On the right, two detached bungalows stand quietly, offering possibilities for private residences, rental properties, or staff accommodations. Behind them, a timber-framed building, once filled with the sounds of learning, could easily transform into office space, creative studios, or even a wellness retreat. Further along, we have a two-storey brick-built office, complete with its own dedicated entrance off Church Road. Whether converted into a headquarters for a growing business, a co-working hub, or additional living quarters, this space is rich with opportunity. To the rear, a collection of brick-built workshops film an L-shaped configuration, providing an ideal setting for artisan studios, storage facilities, or light industrial use. Adjacent to them, two timber-frame structures, a former theatre, and an additional classroom could serve as creative spaces, performance venues, or private event halls. And then there's the vast undeveloped land at the rear, a rare commodity. This open space invites possibilities: a residential expansion, eco-friendly lodges, a sustainable co-housing community, or just car parking for the site. All subject, of course, to the necessary planning permissions. Glebe House is more than just a property, it's a foundation for future innovation, a space for reinvention, and a truly unique opportunity for developers, investors, and visionaries alike. With a guide price of £1.75 million, this estate is an exceptional prospect for those looking to shape its next chapter. Sold with vacant possession, this is your chance to bring new life to a site with endless possibilities. If you're ready to explore the potential of Glebe House, get in contact today to arrange a viewing and begin your next great project.